All right, welcome in to trading. Decided I'm going to start having these streams start at 9:30 or at 9 Central Time because those first 30 minutes are just awful in trading. So why not just wait until you have something better going on? So yeah, we're starting at 9. Let's check out what's going on with price. See if we can make some money today. I'm gonna be focusing on the ES for a little bit. Had some pretty good traction with it yesterday, so might stay away from the Nasdaq. I mean, just looking at the divergence between the two right now, the Nasdaq's up 1.5% and the ES is only up 0.5%. So looks a lot more tame until those two start coming in line. I mean, I saw some other streamers made a great point. Those two are super diverged, and it's like making it harder to trade the NQ. So yeah, I'm gonna be trading the ES for a little bit. Hopefully getting some catching some good trades. But right off the bat, switch over to my trading view chart so we can see what's going on. So just looking at that here on the ES, you can see I marked out these liquidity levels that I was keeping an eye on before market opened. We've taken out this high over here. We also have this moving average that we kind of were trading back and forth overnight into, and now it looks like we're trying to push higher. Downside liquidity is below 75.25 essentially. Looks like we did try and run something here, but nothing happened, and there are no setups on a 5-minute time frame for us to want to get long. If we look a little lower, you can see that off the bat we are trading into this 3-minute fair value gap, but again, I wouldn't want to get long there, just because I prefer to have, on average about 50% of the move retraced into a fair value gap. So if we were looking at something like this, come back in, retest this moving average. So just sketch that out. We got boom, and then I would want to see us take that back out. So that's the trade I would look for if I wanted to get long again, which doesn't seem terrible with where price currently is. Obviously that fails, I would have my stop not far below this. I would probably be at 745. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be keeping an eye on. I'll be keeping an eye on that general area for that trade. But right now, I'm not seeing anything I like for longs at all. Now it might just keep buying. That happens all the time. But as I wait, we'll see what happens. A couple different time frames here. I mean, on the 15, there's a fair value gap down below. It's not quite 50% of the move. So yeah, let's just relax and see what happens, because you never know what happens, right? Feeling much better today. And who doesn't like feeling better when they didn't feel too hot before? I'll go ahead and set my fill in that area, see what happens. Oh. Another day, another dollar, right? As they say in the Old West. Did they say that in the Old West? All right, looks like it's coming up on my fill here in a second. So, let's see what happens. Pretty excited for it to do this. And it looks like getting pretty close.
Order filled.
And it looks like we're in. So now let's just hope it doesn't knife right down to my fill or to my my stop. I'll look for right above the high a day. Not risking too much on this first trade of the day. About 3-to-1 risk reward. Let's see how much this runs into the lower price action. It's gonna suck if there's news. It's driving price lower. Not seeing anything too bad, so I'm not uncomfortable with this trade. I kind of want to widen my stop a little bit. Just because I feel like it's going to be stupid if I get stopped on this. Just because of how tight it is. No, it's fine. Just take it for what it is. If it stops me, it stops me. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Just going to let it roll. What volume? My vocal volume? How about this? Is that better? Sorry, Spiral, I didn't see your comment till just now. Is the volume in the mic? Just turn it up a little bit. Hopefully that helps. How's that? Maybe it's your volume that's too low. Like, what kind of speakers are you running, bro? You kidding me? Trade's looking okay right now. You can't hear the music. Damn, that's gonna stop me, huh? And I'm stopped. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the stream there because I don't know what's going on with my music. It seems like I'm having some problems, so I'm gonna go ahead and just cut out here and hopefully get that figured out for tomorrow. All right. Until next time. Bye, guys.